Jai Hind everyone. Today is the 60th day of recording the video and it was challenge of the 60 days. So I am right now feeling too much happy because of I have completed that one challenge and I have learned a lot from it, and basically I want to tell you I have started it on around 20 October. I think it was not clear. I think 20 October it was. So after it was a 60-day challenge, so I have started to make the record videos daily, but somehow I couldn't maintain the consistency because of sometime I have a work, and also like the I don't have a camera basically I have, but basically I don't have a internet access, so that's why I was not able to upload the videos in English. But somehow I have managed it very well, and also I have worked upon myself. I have prioritized my tasks and also my priorities, like which work I have to do first and which is most important for me. So right now I think this is one of the best feeling in the world. So like because of in my whole life I haven't taken any challenge and of the 60 days and 90 days, and then I have completed it. It was my first challenge, and I want to tell you that I have learned a lot from it because of basically it was basically for my AFSB. So that's why it strengthens my personality, the way of thinking, and also like the when I was just started the recording the video, I was I was recording the video in a monotonous way because of I was speaking in a boring way, in a fluent speech, but in a straight line. So there is not a pause coming, and also like there is not any kind of a stoppage coming, which not strengthens and showcases my confidence. But right now when I have recorded, and also I have given one mock personal interview to the SSB quest of the Ayush Tomar, and there one of the greatest feedback he has given to me, that you are telling in a like giving the answers in a like monotonous way or boring way, so you have to reduce it. And for the screening of the AFSB, you have to give the narration in a like a not a monotonous way, like giving the pauses, commas, and also like strengthening the hold in the strengthening the hold in the like the major key points of the your narration, and it leads to the betterment of your English communication skill. So that's why I have engaged in activity like playing cricket and badminton, because of after playing the sports it strengthens my capabilities, and it builds my camaraderie and the brotherhood, and it leads to the betterment of mine. And I want to inform you, like I will also record the videos after the 60 days because of I have learned a lot.